Assalamu alaikum. Hello and welcome to Food Passion with Kulsum. Today we'll make a very easy and delicious recipe of prawns pulao. This recipe is a seafood lover's delight. It has the perfect combination of rice, potatoes and of course prawns. So let's check out the ingredients which we'll be needing to make this delicious pulao. 500 grams of fresh prawns, 1 kg basmati rice, 3 medium-sized onions thinly sliced, 2 potatoes peeled and chopped, 2 tablespoons fresh ginger garlic paste, 2 tomatoes peeled and chopped, few green chilies and few dried red chilies, 1 lemon juice, 1 cup thick yogurt, 1 teaspoon of mixed spices, 1 teaspoon of black caraway seeds, that's shazira, and salt as required, 1 teaspoon of red chili powder, half teaspoon of turmeric powder, 2 teaspoon of coriander powder and 1 tablespoon of biryani masala, around 1 cup of cooking oil, handful of mint leaves. To make the pulao, first I've heated a large pot and I'm adding the oil to it. I'm using rice bran oil. You can add any oil of your choice. So into the oil I'm adding the whole spices first. I'm using black peppers, cloves, cinnamon sticks and green cardamoms and of course shazira. And as soon as this gets a little bit heated, I'm adding the onions to it. Fry the onions till light golden brown. Do not make it dark because the rice will then get a very dark color, so we don't want that. So after this I'm going to add a little bit of salt so that the onions cook faster. By the time my onions are getting fried, let's go ahead and prepare the prawns. So I have cleaned the prawns and washed them nicely, deveined them, and I'm adding the ginger garlic paste to it. And to this now I'm going to add the yogurt. Beat the yogurt very nicely or it will cuddle up in your rice preparation. So to this now I'm going to add all these spices. That's coriander, haldi, turmeric, and that's biryani masala. Biryani masala is optional. If you're not using biryani masala, you can use any garam masala or you can use any kitchen king masala, whichever you like. Just go ahead and add that. Just be confident that it'll give a good taste to your rice. And then I added some lemon juice, 1 whole lemon juice, and just give it a mix and make sure you do not keep this for a long time. And now I'm adding some salt to it. Mix it properly. So back to the onions. My onions are already done. This is the proper color which I want. And to this now I'm going to add the tomatoes and dried red chilies and fresh green peppers, green chilies. Give it a nice mix and make sure that your tomatoes turn nice and soft, and after which I'm going to add the other ingredients. So my tomatoes are nice and mushy, and now I'm going ahead and adding the potatoes to it. Potatoes are optional. If you want, you can just skip it. But traditionally this recipe is made with potatoes, so try to add them and just stir it nicely. Fry it for just around a minute. So now go ahead and add the prawns with the curd and all the masalas. This is an easier way, and your masalas keep that flavor intact. They do not burn and it gives a very rich and amazing flavor to your rice. And now just stir fry it for a minute, not too much. So as you can see, it's around a minute and the prawns are nicely cooking. At this point I'm adding the water to it. I'm adding around 1 liter of water. So now I'm adding the mint leaves to it. The mint leaves give a good aroma to the rice while cooking. Just give it a light mix. And as soon as the water starts to boil, I'm going to add the rice. I had soaked the rice for 30 minutes. Mix everything together with very light hands. Just like that. And after 10 minutes, this is how your rice should be looking. So just make sure all the water has been absorbed. And now I'm going to steam it for around 15 minutes. I'm going to add few mint leaves on top and few green chilies. Just for the freshness, I'm adding this. If you want, you can just totally avoid it. Give it a light mix. So after steaming it for around 10 minutes, this is how your rice should look like. Nice and hot. And I'm going to fluff it before I'm going to serve, so that my rice becomes nice and fluffy. You can do this with a spoon or a fork. My prawns pulao is ready. I'm serving this with some tomato cucumber salad. Thank you so much for watching, and if you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. And if you haven't yet subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe. Take care of yourself. Till my next video. Allah Hafiz. Bye.